In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to edit text on Wix. To start, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific site you're interested in making changes to. You'll select this by clicking on the title of the site, which will then open the website editor interface for you. Once you're on the editing interface of the selected site, move your computer cursor over the specific text box you'd like to change. This skill becomes easier with practice, but don't worry if it takes a bit of time to get the hang of it. The aim here is to have the cursor placed over the proper text box, so that when you perform the next action, you are targeting the right text. After placing your cursor over the correct text box, you'll double-click on it. With this click, the text within the box will be highlighted. This indicates that you're now in the editing mode for the text within that specific box. When the text is highlighted, an Edit Text button will appear on your interface. This button plays a key role in editing the text. Go ahead and click this button and see what happens next. A rich text editor panel will pop up on your screen, presenting to you a range of options that let you adjust various aspects of the text. You can modify the font size, change the color of the text, align the text as per your need, and even apply styles like italics or bolding the text. Now you may be curious to see how your changes look once applied. If that's the case, there's a preview option you can utilize before finalizing your changes. You'll find this right at the top of the editor, and upon clicking it, you will be able to see a version of your site with the newly edited text without it being yet live. Once you're satisfied with your changes and happy with how your edited text looks, it's time to make it live for all of your site visitors to see. You'll do this by clicking the Publish button, which effectively updates your site with the edited text. And that's how you edit text on Wix. You can repeat these steps